Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, Kaikai video. There's another kumu here. You see it's greens crew pumpkin, some tulip, and it's ready for cooking. So as you can see here, we have some tomatoes and some carrot, this onion. And then of course we have like we give a little few lines, so we have like a few slices of chicken here. And of course Nangu that's how you spin Nangu. Yeah. Nangu influence. You want to see my speak lady, you will buy jealous. Yeah, so suppose you know someone look him, I was spinning Nangu and this live accent in reality. Reality speak in real life situation. Typically what. So yes, you can see that's like food for two people. Sorry, two people to solve again. That's the first plate there. You can see it. That's the second one is still spinning Nangu. Yeah, right on time, right on time. You can see it. That's how Nangus have been. This yummy delicious. But Ogalaman Islands now we need to migrate go to Civic Sol. Civic Warat Sol. But disclaimer, yeah, guys. Problem yam no meri Civic Sol. Meri Simbotus or Meri Anganere Stret. And now game box Stret. Meri Mablo or fresh vegetables. But I was spinning Nangu to you. Look in blood. So yeah, drop in another video soon. Love you all. Take care. Hello, that's coming back. Continuation of the dinner preparation. You can see there's a chicken there, chicken. I think it's a chicken free, chicken breast, vegetables, carrot, and onion. It's like a chili spicy soup here right in front of me, and then we have Nangu on the other side. So what you do here basically is you get the Nangu from there, you put it in here in the soup, you mix it with the soup, and then you eat it at the same time with the greens and then chicken on top of it. Yeah. So thank you so much, my lovely wife, for such wonderful dinner.